What's going on YouTube? Today's video, I'm going to be posting another little POV. I just posted one. Got two subscribers from it. I appreciate y'all, I appreciate all my subscribers that subscribed already. But you know, I got two subscribers from that, so I'm like, fuck it, let me do it again. Fuck it, see if I can get more. I'm trying to be on there you go, look, that straight A Cam, I'm trying to be on his level and shit with this YouTube stuff. What you almost what, 700?
Yeah, almost.
Nigga, he almost at 700, so I'm like, let me just post. I ain't gonna be doing nothing crazy like that. Let me keep that light on. But yeah. So yeah, like I said, it's gonna be another little POV. Might drive around downtown, like the area I'm at. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. It might be a little no talk, cause like I be having to focus on the road and shit. I ain't used to that shit. How straight A Cam used to it yet. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, and like please, like make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, bro. It's almost Christmas, bro. And yeah, just peep the little view we got right here. Got the tree. Damn, hold on. Got the that's my prison right there. Every year, that's my prison to myself that I got. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, y'all enjoy the video. Already, YouTube had to start it off where it was some more lighted. I'm just started right here. Fuck it. Damn. Can't even show y'all. Damn. Dark than a motherfucker. Hey, y'all type down, like, bro, like, y'all type down, bro, like, y'all hate the, what that shit called? Daylight saving time. I hate that shit. Get dark at 5 o'clock. It ain't nothing but 6 o'clock and it's already dark. That shit be crazy. But hey. Already one of them. Hit it right here under this little tunnel right here, but hell no, it's wet. They trying to wreck my shit up. Straight A Cam, he ain't doing neither. We trying to save our cars. Hell no. Let me slow down. And don't be in the comment section telling me something that was yellow, like you could have got that. Nah, I ain't doing it because I know Straight A, he don't be doing it. He would have stopped, so I'm like, let's stay together, stupid. If I had some cash, I would have gave it to Brody. I ain't got nothing on me. This one though. Let's see if he take it. Oh, he took it. fix that shit. downtown and shit. But hey, yesterday, the area we in, we tried to find a club. Shit, this city bogus. This shit lame as hell here. But hey, I don't do clubbing no ways, but we just tried to find something yesterday. Me and Straight 8 couldn't find none. We went to some, but that shit was so lame. Got like goddamn middle school dance party in that motherfucker. So we lost, we paid $20 for the entry, 10, lost that shit. We walked straight in there and left straight out. That shit was so lame. But hey. If y'all still tuning in, hey, y'all type down in the comment section like, would y'all rather, nah, I'm beating that. Would y'all rather me, like a talking POV or a non-talk? Y'all let me know. See what Straight 8 talking about. How are we doing? Oh, you want me to get in front? Shit, I don't know where we going. Shit. Oh, motherfucker was sliding. See what some open area is. See if I can do a little bit more. And this is yeah. Let's see. Let me see something right here. Hold on. You can't go down that way. Oh, now I ain't gonna do it, bro. See if I can do a little burnout. I ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna swoop back around. Can I go down this way? Yo. So let me see what's up. Oh, nah. Alright, YouTube, that's going to conclude the video of me just doing the base nighttime POV. Let me see, my phone acting up, the storage full. Tried to delete some stuff, but they ain't do nothing. So I'm just gonna conclude it right here. That's the baby I was in, stupid. That's not baby, but yeah, I'm gonna go stop the video here. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. And I appreciate everybody that subscribed so far, and I just hope that many more subscribe. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos. We out.